Question 4. Joe is going to buy 15 rolls of wallpaper. Here is some information about the cost of rolls of wallpaper from each of 2 shops. We have Chic Decor, 3 rolls for £36, and Style Papers, where a pack of 5 rolls, normal price £70, but is 12% off the normal price at the moment. So Joe wants to buy 15 rolls of wallpaper as cheaply as possible. Should Joe buy the wallpaper from Chic Decor or from Style Papers? And you must show how you get your answer. So let's work out the cost of 15 rolls from each shop. Starting with Chic Decor, if 3 rolls are £36, Joe wants 15 rolls, so this is a multiplication. So if 3 rolls are 36, times this by 5, you get 15 rolls. 36 times 5 is £180. And so at Chic Decor, it's £180 for 15 rolls. So now let's look at Style Papers. In Style Papers, you get 5 rolls for £70. Multiplying this up by 3, that's 15 rolls for £210. However, at the moment, we get 12% off this £210. And so taking 12% off 210, that is to find 88% of 210. That is £184.80. So 0.88 is the multiplier to find 88%. A reminder then of where we get this multiplier. If I'm starting with 100%, which is the price for the 15 rolls, and taking away 12, that is finding 88%. Or thinking of that in numbers, that's 1 subtract 0.12, which is 0.88. And given these 2 values now, we can see that 180 is certainly less than £184.80, and so Chic Decor is cheaper.